What's going on with North and South IKEA? Are they fighting or something? The Pullman beetle is a Wunk Flonkner and can roll up to 1 ball of poo. The Wunk... Too much loot to move, but one can still jump. Avernus 16 Stir, Clerk's Solo Brine Bulb near Gith before cutscene, Ow Dead No Combat, Armor, Newborn / Thralls easy, using only barrels of flammable liquid till can't move / take more, jumping till close enough to throw near baddies and spark, back for more. Chests at Fireproof Imps. Beat, just a singular beat. Not beats or a beat, but just beat. Capo, Quipigi, Potterson, Gigi, Weird Girl, Post U for Reset A, Hit, Equip Pew, Ear, Pew, Wowf, Us, Banana. I can't blame you. I can't blame her. I can't. Banana, yeah.